Mabuhay! My name is Reyno Sabanap. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make your own do-it-yourself maracas. But before anything else, we need to gather the materials we need. First, use bottles. Use tissue rolls, ribbon, mungo beans, glue gun, tape, and scissors, cutter, and or paper. Some of them are stuck!
Ilan na, Papa, because
Papa, because it's too hot. It's hot, I touch. It's finished. And this is my big maracas and my small maracas. So this is how to use it. And this is how to use the small one. We use recyclable materials to save Mother Earth. Maracas are fun to use. Philippines love it. You can do it in celebrations, Christmas, birthday. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. God bless.